What's the meaning of and? And. 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 And.
The word and is a conjunction that is used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. It is typically used to indicate that two or more things are being added together, or that one thing is being followed by another. For example, I like coffee and tea indicates that the speaker enjoys both coffee and tea. The result of using and is to create a compound expression, which can provide additional information or clarify relationships between different elements in a sentence. Overall, and is a fundamental building block for constructing clear and effective communication.